Good day to all my fellow members of the property management and property law fraternity. I am 𝗂𝐴𝐴𝐴. Modern architecture, particularly stratified buildings, need revitalization and proper maintenance to keep them safe, beautiful, functional, and of course, attractive, and to give the best possible living experience to those who occupy these buildings. As we know, no strata building will remain new forever. Every building, every home will require improvisations, will require renovations and thoughtful maintenance to keep it safe, functional and attractive. At the upcoming Strata Conference, scheduled to take place on 27th of July 2023, mark your diaries, 27 July 2023, the speakers will address various crucial aspects of revitalization of strata communities and how to deploy sustainable improvements and renovations. Now, the word sustainable there is very important, and also improvisations or improvements to existing strata schemes. Ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow brothers and sisters of the property management fraternity, I hope to see you all at the upcoming Strata Conference where we can network and also share views and perhaps learn a thing or two about the existing legal framework and how we can work within the existing legal framework to effect sustainable improvements to ensure that those who occupy stratified buildings get the best possible living experience that they deserve. See you at the Strata Conference. Signing off, 𝗂𝐴𝐴𝐴.